Inside an heat-proof jar, add your Candelilla Wax, add the olive oil, add the cocoa butter, add the coconut oil, in a pot, place a clean cloth at the bottom of the pot. Place your heat-proof jar inside the pot. Fill the pot with water until half. Place the pot over the stove. Over the medium heat, we let all the oil to melt and mix together. Now you see all the oils are melted. At this stage, we're gonna add the baking soda and stir until everything is mixed perfectly. You can use for this recipe, instead of Candelilla Wax, the normal natural beeswax. But if you use the beeswax, in the room temperature, your dough is gonna be a little bit softer than usual. So the perfect wax for this recipe is Candelilla. If you can use that one, it's gonna stay perfectly well in the room temperature, so keep that in your mind. Once the baking soda is fully dissolved, we're gonna add the starch at this point. Be careful because the starch is very fine powder and it's gonna sprinkle so fast all over the place, so do it carefully and slowly. And we are going to mix this one very well with all the ingredients until everything is nicely mixed and dissolved. Keep stirring and mixing well to make sure you get a very smooth mixture. You see how smooth and beautiful this turned out. Let it be for another 30 seconds over the heat, and then we're gonna remove it. Okay, now that everything is mixed, we are going to off the heat and remove this from the heat. Take the jar out of the pot. Now at this stage, we are going to add our essential oils. You can add any aromatic oil that you like and it's your favorite. The good ones for this recipe is lavender and lemon. So we are going to add, I'm going to add the lemon essential oil, about 60 drops. And to this, we are going to add 12 drops of tea tree oil. And we are going to give it a good stir. Now this deodorant is ready. We have to pour in the mold and let it to cool down. You can put it in the fridge to cool faster or just leave it in a room temperature. Just do it quickly before the ingredients go stiff and solid. This recipe almost gives us 3 sticks of deodorant, and that's it. Now they are going to get stiff so fast, and that's why you need to be very fast at this stage. You can just cover your deos, and I'm gonna show you once they are fully solid. Okay guys, the deos are completely cooled down. I put them a little bit in the fridge. After they cool down, they sink a little bit, so that's why they look like this. Now I want to show you. They are very nice, very smooth, exactly like all other deos, but they are natural. They are simple to make and they are amazing, so you can use it.